Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most fascinating topics in neuroscience: how do human brains differ from the brains of animals? To start, let's consider what abilities make humans unique. What can our brains do that no other animal can? Some of the key things are complex language, abstract thought, emotional intelligence, and highly advanced tool use. Chimpanzees, for example, can use basic tools, but nothing as complex as human technology. So how did our brains develop these unique abilities? What's different about their structure versus animal brains? Main differences. One major difference is the size of the human neocortex, the outer layer associated with higher cognition. Our neocortex accounts for about 76% of our total brain volume, compared to just 28% in chimps. Additionally, certain regions are more developed. The prefrontal cortex, vital for planning, is much larger in humans. Broca's area, necessary for language production, is absent in even our closest primate relatives. Beyond size, the number of neurons and connections differs. Although elephant and whale brains can be larger than humans, they have fewer neurons. The human brain has around 86 billion neurons and up to 150 trillion synapses. Finally, gene expression varies. FOXP2, for instance, linked to language development, has a different human variant. So, in summary, the human brain is structured differently, with larger association areas, more neurons and connectivity, and differences at the genetic level. Animal abilities. Now let's flip this around. What abilities do animal brains have that humans lack? For senses like smell, animals have larger proportional olfactory bulbs and olfactory cortical areas. Dogs have around 300 million olfactory receptors compared to our 6 million. This allows them to detect scents with incredible precision, useful for hunting and social functions. Bats and dolphins have specialized auditory processing brain structures. Their auditory cortex is large and highly complex, allowing bats to process subtle sound changes for echolocation. Dolphins too have advanced auditory processing for their highly developed communication abilities. For vision, birds of prey have significant optic lobes and visual processing areas. Their highly accelerated visual pathways and densely packed retinal neurons enable sharp eyesight, vital for hunting. Some animals also have magnetoreception, the ability to perceive magnetic fields. Sea turtles navigate vast oceans this way. In terms of intelligence, abilities like chimps' photographic memory far exceed our own. Dolphins communicate in complex whistles and clicks. Bees dance to give each other maps to food sources. So while the human brain is unique in many regards, animals have evolved specialty brain structures and abilities that in some ways surpass our own. In the end, no single brain structure is superior, each is adapted over evolution for different purposes. By studying both human and animal brains, we can gain insight into the remarkable diversity of mental abilities on our planet. There are still many mysteries to unravel about the human mind. But by comparing it to our animal counterparts, we discover just how special and complex our brains really are. Alright everyone, that wraps up this lesson on human versus animal brains. Let me know in the comments your thoughts, and if you have any other brain topics you want covered in the future. I'll include some references below for more reading. Thanks for watching.